We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. And now we're excited to share the great news with you. Take a look. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best. Give us the chance to earn a 5-star review from you too. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. Contact us soon. We look forward to working with you.